Welcome. The Google team has an important announcement in regards to Google Chat Spaces, particularly chat spaces that are organized by conversation topic. Soon, Google Chat Spaces that are organized by conversation topic will be upgraded to inline threaded spaces. And in October, you will start seeing a banner in your Google Chat Spaces that are organized by conversation topic. This is to notify you and remind you of the upcoming change. In November, on a weekend, a conversation topic space will be converted to inline threaded space. The purpose of this upgrade is to allow users like yourself to reply to any message, create discussion separate from a main conversation. You can get a sneak peek of what it will look like after the migration from these screenshots. However, maybe you're just brand new to inline threading, and I'll dive deeper and give you a demonstration here shortly. There is additional content on this webpage and resource, such as what are the future upcoming features that you will see in chat spaces. As you can see, there are some great enhancements that will take place in the near future. Also, if you scroll down, you'll find additional resources. Now let's jump into a quick live demo and give you an understanding and a sneak peek of what inline threading will look like. Now for the live demo. I'm currently in the Persona Trainer 13 today, and we're going to focus on chat spaces and inline threading. Now, as I've mentioned in previous videos, you can access chat in numerous ways, but for today, we're just going to focus it inside the Gmail integrated workspace. I have a space called Demo Inline Threading. And again, I have several different conversations that have taken place in the past, but I want to look at the brand new ones that have been posted today. I have one from Trainer 1 saying, hey, me, Trainer 13, we need to talk about this project soon. And then does anybody else want to join? I need to respond to that. One, she mentioned me. That's a good way to make sure I am paying attention. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and reply to this thread. By doing so, I'm going to hover over the message and you will see an icon that says reply in thread. You'll notice that it brings over a panel on the right-hand side, and then I'm going to reply to the message. You are so right. Let's meet. And etc. You have the same capabilities with formatting, emojis, GIFs, add files, add meet, and etc. You also have the option to pull in other apps that's from Google Drive or Calendar. So that functionality works the same. It just looks different with the panel appearing on the right-hand side, and you will see here shortly what else it does. So I'm going to go ahead and reply and send that message. Now, if you go back to the message that I just replied to, you will see there is an indication that one reply took place. Now let's review other features that you have with inline threading. Let's first understand notifications. If I click on the space, I can click on the drop down and select notifications. You'll notice I have all selected, which means to notify me for new messages and replies to threads you follow. You'll notice there's an option for following and off. If you recall reading the post on our Google Help website, there is some enhancements that are coming down the road that will give you more control and granularity in regarding to notifications. So I'm going to go ahead and leave my settings alone and click Save. The other option you have is to go ahead and review all your active threads that are happening in this space. By doing so, you can go up to the top right-hand corner and select Active Threads. Go ahead and select that icon, and then you'll see all the active threads in your chat space, in this example, Demo Inline Threading. You then can actually filter out the data by only looking at the ones that you are following or mentioning me, and you will have different selections to choose from as you filter that data. With that, you can then also make a conscious decision. Do you want to unfollow that particular message? In this case, maybe I don't want to really be notified anymore regarding this thread. I can then click on following, which will then take the action of unfollow. And then I'm no longer following that thread, no longer applies to me, and etc. And that will help alleviate additional notifications that do not apply. The other thing you can do is pop in or pop out the chat space by clicking on this icon. This will pop it up. So I'm going to go ahead and do so, and it will then bring it to the bottom right-hand corner. And I can do the reverse action by clicking on the arrow, and it'll open the chat in full screen. The last thing I want to mention is you do have the capability of searching inside this chat quick and easy by clicking on the magnifying glass. Make note of the search box up at the top and what happens. I click on the magnifying glass. You'll notice now it is filtering my search by saying I'm only searching in this chat space. In this example, demo inline threading. So I can type in a keyword and type in Google, and then you'll see it'll bring up the conversations in regards to the demo inline threading chat space. And then you can always use the additional chat smart chips that are available for you as you can filter the data and the search in more granular detail. With that, this gives you a sneak peek of what inline threading is and what the experience will be like when you have transitioned from organizational topic to now inline threading. With that, I strongly encourage you to check out the resources posted below to learn more about this update. Thank you.